Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be recording for you what the Google Maps looks like on the RCD 330 and showing you what you can do. So this is the maps itself. It's multi-touch. 1 second. Just click off something, otherwise you'll think I'm putting a pin down. Should be able to pan around, yeah you can. Okay, so if I press that button it'll find out exactly where I am using my phone's GPS. You have to be plugged in by phone all the time. Okay, this sets it to north I believe, yep. You can zoom out so you can see where you are. So at the moment I'm near my house. Well, I'm not too far away from my house. Okay guys, so that's the maps. Let me just show you now. So these are all the controls. You got your settings on here. Get traffic on there, satellite, guidance audio. You choose, these are all your settings. So guidance audio you can choose if you want sound and stuff. So I've got sound on, some people like it without sound. Got route options. I always avoid the toll roads even if it makes me go around a bit more. It's not that bad. At the bottom here you got your audio, so whatever music you're playing. So Spotify is connected with this. You have to connect it with the app first, so that's okay. Here you got your notifications. There you go. Alright, so Google Maps is there. Alright, okay, so we got voice thing. I don't think that'll work. Nope, because I've switched off on Google search. So if you switch off the Google search on your phone it will not work with the voice commands on here. Okay, so here's your app drawer. Well, I don't need to show you that. Okay, I'll just show you a random. So I'm going to search for a random thing now. Let's type in Jaguar. Let's see where our closest Jaguar. So if I type in Jaguar, oh yeah, Inchcape Jaguar. So this is the closest one apparently. York. And the next closest is in Bolton. So this is 21 minutes from where I am right now. So that's not bad. If I press start now, start the navigation. So the lady will start speaking, but because I've muted all the sounds with this to turn off the music, that's why you can't hear anything. So here you can see the maps and stuff. Here you can choose your different routes. You can check the route overall. You can add stops in as well. I don't know what this one is. Oh yeah, add stop. So this is the add stop one. So if you want to fuel up, you want to get some food, you can just add a stop in. And yeah, so that's the maps itself. That's pretty cool, isn't it guys? Yeah, so this is my when I was at uni around Manchester, so that's where I used to go Bolton Uni, so that's why. That's my home set to that, so it's very far away. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Go to MrWaheedulHaque here and see you guys next time. Goodbye.